So here is how we can download Minecraft for absolutely free on our PC or Mac. Step number one will be to head over to a browser, and then we simply want to go to the search and then search for Minecraft. Once we select Minecraft, click on Minecraft on the top here. And then what we now need to do is we simply need to go to games, click on the drop down menu, go over to the right hand side, and then click on try Minecraft free. From here, it will then bring you to this page, and then you want to locate whatever device you are on. So Windows 10, 11, PlayStation, Android. You've also got Mac and Linux down here at the bottom. So I will click on Mac, click on the download. The download will then start. You want to click on this to open it up here. And then if you're on Mac, you just need to drag and drop this into your applications. Once we do that, we are good to go to the next step. So once that's fully downloaded, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and open up Minecraft. It will then bring you over to here, and then it will then open up the game right on your screen. Now you may need to log into your Microsoft account or create a new one. And then once you have done this, you will then be able to go to the game here. And then you want to click on play demo in the top right hand corner. So once we do this, as you can see, it will then say waiting on install. And then what it will do is it will install to your device, and then it will then open up the game ready to play. So as you can see here, Minecraft is now launching. It will then open up. You can put this full screen, and if we click on play demo world, you can go ahead and click on the I know what I'm doing. And then you can go ahead and join a new world here. And what you'll notice is you will then open up into Minecraft, and you can play this as you would normally on any other device. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download Minecraft for free.